Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. As 2026 draws closer, the obvious question is this: what can we realistically expect from the upcoming smartphones in January 2026? The early part of the year is traditionally busy, and January looks set to continue that trend, with several notable launches lined up. The new 2026 Redmi Note 15 series is coming. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Xiaomi has officially unveiled the Redmi Note 15 5G smartphone. The device features a slim 7.35mm body, weighing just 178 grams and is IP66 rated for dust and splash resistance. The front panel features a curved 6.77-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 3200 nits. HydroTouch 2.0 technology ensures the display responds reliably to touch inputs even with wet fingers. Performance is handled by an octa-core Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor built using a 4nm process. The device is available with up to 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. Power is supplied by a 5520 mAh battery, with support for 45 watts of wired charging and 18 watts of reverse charging. The manufacturer claims the smartphone can last up to 1.6 days on a single charge. The new upcoming Redmi Note 15 5G is a slimmer smartphone, with a 108-megapixel Samsung HN9 main camera sensor, with optical image stabilization, and 4K video recording. It's complemented by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle module, and a 20-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies. The smartphone runs HyperOS 2 based on Android 15, and will receive an update to HyperOS 3. Other features include stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, an IR blaster, and an under-display fingerprint scanner. As for the price and launching details, the sale of the new Redmi Note 15 will begin on January 9, 2026. The basic version with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage will be priced at $279. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.